Hey there. So, you've been thinking about creating your own digital course, right? Maybe you've got knowledge to share, or you're dreaming of a side hustle that could turn into passive income. But let me guess, you're stuck. Stuck staring at a blank screen, wondering how to even start. Content creation feels overwhelming. Marketing, copywriting, tech tools. Ugh. It's enough to make anyone hit the brakes before they even begin. But what if I told you there's a way to launch your first course in 14 days, without writing a single word, without tech headaches, and without needing any experience? That's exactly what Course Creation Warrior is all about. Let me break it down for you. First off, this isn't some vague, maybe it'll work, system. It's a proven blueprint that's already helped someone generate over $33,000 in just 1 week. And the best part? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. The hard work's already done for you. And let's be real, getting the most value for your money is key, right? That's why I've put together a custom bonus bundle for those who buy through my link. These are legit tools and resources to help you succeed faster, and they won't cost you a thing extra. So, here's how this course creation product helps you. 1. No more, I don't know where to start. In the first 3 days, you use simple AI prompts to find a profitable course idea that people actually want. No guessing games, just clear, step-by-step guidance to validate your niche. 2. Say goodbye to writer's block. Days 4 to 7, the AI literally creates your course content for you. It generates scripts, outlines, even marketing copy. You're not staring at a blank page anymore. You're just polishing what's already built. 3. Launch like a pro, even if you've never sold anything before. By days 8 to 10, you'll have a sales page and marketing materials ready to go, all crafted with AI prompts that boost conversions. No copywriting skills required. 4. Traffic and sales, without ads or a big budget. The system includes a 5-minute daily traffic plan to attract buyers organically. Plus, you'll learn how to recruit affiliates during your launch so others promote your course for you. Passive income? Yes, please. And here's the kicker. This isn't some pricey investment. For $27, you're getting the exact blueprint that's already generated real results. Think about it. What's the ROI if your course makes even half of that $33,000 success story? Oh, and if you're worried about risk, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, no hard feelings, you get every penny back. But wait, there's more. You'll also get 2 free bonuses. AI Income Igniter, a guide to scaling your earnings fast. 10 hidden traffic sources, because who doesn't want more eyes on their course? This is perfect for you if you're tired of overcomplicating course creation. You want a done-for-you system that holds your hand for 14 days. You're ready to turn your knowledge into profit, not procrastination. Imagine this, 2 weeks from now, your course is live. Affiliates are promoting it, sales are rolling in, and you're sipping coffee, watching your bank account grow, thinking, why didn't I do this sooner? So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to grab Course Creation Warrior for just $27. That's less than takeout for 2, but this could change your life. And hey, if this video helped you, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more tips on creating freedom online. Let's make 2025 the year you stop dreaming and start doing. Catch you in the next one.